Hey, we have to go. We're GURP.
Dude, what the fuck? I'm with my family.
Fuck your family.
Why is this crackhead here?
Fuck your family. And fuck you, lady, and fuck your kid right now. Check this out.
You're waking the baby.
Hey, fuck your baby. Listen.
I'm listening.
Shut your fucking mouth, whore.
Tell me.
I made a gun that can take us anywhere. Fuck anywhere. We're GURP. Anywhere.
Why would he leave if he's happy here with me?
I just fuck you right now.
Hey, don't say fuck
no,
my
fuck
wife.
your wife and fuck your
Bro,
kid.
chill.
Listen, no. Just listen to me. Have you ever had your smeeze weep sucked by Margaret Thatcher?
What?
Some crusty old earth white bitch?
She's a fucking great white crusty earth bitch. Don't worry about that shit. Hey, check this out. I can't take
Dude,
this
I
shit.
I can't.
Too
Get
much
out my
fucking
house.
noise.
What have
Hey.
you done?
Come back. It's fine. Listen.
My wife, my kid, you sick
We
fuck.
can go get your family after I finish. They are safe. A safe place, maybe. I was tinkering. You remember that show we love watching? Episodes 1-500. No 61. Lost episode.
Who gives a fuck? My wife and kid.
Just listen to me. Listen. Don't worry about your wife and
You're
kid.
a fucking psychopath.
Look at this. I call it my place gun. I made it in my shop.
You're at
It
it?
takes you places. So many places. We could find the episode. Your family is safe, maybe. Let's just go. Take a break from that screaming fetus and bitch of a wife.
I do need a break.
We're GURP, let's go.
Maybe a slight one.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of That Cooking Show. As usual, I'm Vaz Hayes, your host, and today we're in China Town Chi-Raq, and for today's dish, we're looking for fish. So let's go. So what we have here, it could be a tuna, could be a snapper, could be eel, we don't know. But here at That Cooking Show, we're always finding fresh ingredients. So you never like put money on which one to win? Nah. That one looks like he's about to wreck somebody. See, you got one going off right there. So are you into like illegal crab fighting?
No, but are you?
What kind of crabs we talking about?
Excuse me, sir. What brought you to the wharf today?
That's an octopus?
Octopi.
Oh my gosh, they look like fetuses.
Yeah,
They
they
look like abortions.
Tiny abortions. So we're kind of having trouble finding the fish. Can you click and show me where the fish is?
Alright, so we're back on the set, and we're not gonna go with the fish that we found, because that shit was way too expensive. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna edit in a fish, right here, in my hands. Please. We're gonna use a PNG file for the fish, from Google, without a white background. Ha! Nice! Alright, so we're kind of, low budget at the moment due to low views, due to the expenses of the last episode, Praise Cloud.
Hello everyone, and here at Cloud, we want to make sure everybody's taken care of this winter. And we don't discriminate.
You got some
Chocolate milk? Oh yes, right here for you.
Alright, so let's get back to cooking. So does anybody know how to descale a fish?
You gotta gut that bitch, bro.
Gut that fish, bro. Gut that fish, gut that fish, gut that fish, bro. Gut that fish, gut that fish.
Get your shit together, Sergeant. You ain't keeping up with the fucking pace. I don't fuck you so hard, your guts will turn into lo mein. The fuck you think this is? Huh? I'ma gut you like a motherfucking bitch. What are you doing?
that's all for today's episode of That Cooking Show. If you want to premiere your dish on That Cooking Show, be sure to contact our team. Everybody's dead, so that means all positions are open. So that means cameraman, lights, we're going to need new people. Actually, this show might be canceled, to tell you the truth. I might be going to jail, maybe. No, not the aliens again. Don't take me. My bottle mad tight. No, bro, possible. No. Reality is just playing on myself, me being the universe and playing inside myself.